You won't believe what nature is capable of. From impossible weather to mind-blowing geological events, every clip in this video is 100% real. And trust me, the last one is the hardest to believe. Thankfully, all the residents had already left the building. This is what happens when the load isn't secured. Nothing can stand against these winds. Disaster avoided at the last second. For nature, it's just another rainy day. For these owners, it's a financial nightmare. This is the biggest traffic jam you'll ever see. Nature shows no mercy. A powerful earthquake shook everything. Nothing stood a chance once the wind reached full force. The earthquake reduced the house to ruins. Hopefully, no one was inside. The force of this earthquake is terrifying. This fire is enormous. 2 fire trucks may not be enough, and the thick smoke shows just how serious the situation is. I never imagined volcanic eruptions could look this beautiful. The flood devastated an entire neighborhood, destroying homes and everything in its path. Thankfully, everyone survived. It's impossible not to admire this view. I think he just learned why you don't work on ice. Nepal will never forget the devastating earthquake of 2015. This is probably the most unexpected window view ever. I can't believe someone was brave enough to film this. One of nature's weirdest moments caught on camera. This can happen when powerful storms lift fish from the water.
شايفين الهدوء ده؟ ده بقى الهدوء اللي قبل العاصفة.
If you've never seen a sea of rocks, you're about to. If you know what this is called, leave a comment. I've never seen anything like this. Wow! This shows just how powerful a hurricane can be. Thankfully, no one was there when it struck. What you're seeing is the result of constant erosion over time.